Welcome back, everybody. This is our first kickoff of the 2025 season. Chipper got the opportunity to head to Hunt Mill Holler Ranch for a hog hunt, and got to say it was pretty cool. Going up there, seeing the place, seeing all the animals that they have to offer there. The lodge is really beautiful. The guiding service, top notch. I mean, our guide was really good. Took good care of us while we was there. Hope y'all enjoy. If anybody out there wants to go make a good memory on a hog, a elk, a whitetail, buffalo even they have offered, man, I highly encourage you to give them a holler. Look them up on huntmillhollow.com, huntmillhollow.com for proper English, I guess. But yeah, this is Chipper's hunt to kick us off for the year. We're gonna get this going, and then also Chipper's gonna have a podcast about his hunt. So Here we go.
So today we are hog hunting, and I just now stared at hogs. There's a bunch running, so there's a giant hog coming. I can't wait. So stay tuned and see how we do it.
So as you can see, we've got a bunch of hogs on us from the time we sit down to the time we leave, and we're kind of trying to pick out a bigger one. And here comes one up in front of the feeder, and Chipper says that's the one he wants. Funny thing about it, me and Ty thought that it wasn't a very big a hog, and Chipper picked it out and he said it was a good one. So as the video goes on, you'll see what happens.
I have proof to kill him.
That's the one you like? Got one way over left?
Yep.
With his butt facing you?
Yeah.
Big old horsetail.
I'm waiting to see if that black one right there is bigger.
No, he's not. Wait, which one are you shooting?
That biggest one.
The one on the left? Oh, we got cover ears.
Oh, we don't.
Hey, stay on him. Stay on him, okay? Stay on him. If he gets up, shoot him again, okay? Shoot him. Go ahead and shoot him. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Okay. Shoot him again. Oh, that one did it. Got her done.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I'm shaking.
My camera's huh? Tell me what just happened.
So we found a giant hog, and I have my AR with me. So
Unloaded on that dude.
Yeah. He just said
Good
stay
job,
on him. So I just stayed on him and keep shooting at him.
Easy tracking job.
Yeah.
Tell Ty thanks.
Thank you,
You already
Ty.
done it. Shot. Dude, they smoked it.
Oh.
Chipper's doing the tracking. Oh, he's a lot bigger than I thought. He got teeth too, Bubba. Look. Look at them teeth.
Oh!
You did good, man.
Where did I shoot him last? I think
Right here.
I shot him in the ear.
Look at that, man. You did really good. So as you can see, we had a successful hunt, made a great memory. We're actually getting this hog head mounted at Jones Taxidermy. Look him up. Be sure to be on the lookout this year for the rest of our videos. Thank you guys, and stay tuned.